Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. In our next video on watering techniques, we're exploring the benefits of using a rain barrel. Let's get started. Collecting rainwater in a barrel is an environmentally friendly option that makes use of free natural resources. It helps reduce your water bill and conserves potable water for other uses. Here's how to set up a rain barrel. First, choose the right location. Place the rain barrel under a downspout to collect runoff from your roof. Next, install diverters and filters. Use diverters to direct water into the barrel and filters to keep out debris. Finally, secure the barrel. Ensure the barrel is stable and secure to prevent tipping. Ensure. Using the collected rainwater is easy. Attach a hose or use a watering can to distribute the water directly to your plants. Rainwater is naturally soft and free of chemicals, making it ideal for your garden. Harvesting rainwater provides numerous advantages. It reduces reliance on municipal water, lowers your water bill, and promotes sustainable gardening practices. Plus, plants thrive on natural rainwater, which is free from the chemicals often found in tap water. Using a rain barrel is a simple and effective way to make your garden more sustainable. Give it a try and enjoy the benefits of this eco-friendly watering solution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!